Okay.
It's right on the other side of this church.
It's t128.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Here
Hurry.
we go. I just went right in time, y'all.
It smells like out here.
My phone's recording outside, but it has a very bad camera angle because my tripod is currently not working right now.
Come on.
10 seconds.
7.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Put your window up. Dad. Put your fucking window up. I'm gonna kill you. JK. Put your... Trumbull County likes to go off a little earlier.
Later, you mean?
Like a few seconds here. Now we wait for Trumbull County to do their siren test. Okay.
There we go.
Okay, here we go. Come on. Should I fill the pool? I think I should. I see what you're doing, bro. Dad. Do it all the way. Stop trying to troll me.
Yo, Recon, where are you at?
Siren. Is this thing inactive?
Shouldn't be.
Are you in your car?
Yeah.
Who's with you?
You sure this goes off
Nah.
the first Saturday of the month?
Supposed to. What the fuck, man? Oh my god. I think it failed.
It failed?
I believe so. Oh, wait. Oh, fire truck, fire vehicle going out. Oh. I don't know what they're going to. They're going to a call.
Look at that ambulance, it's all smashed up.
Last time Trumbull County went off at literally exactly 12:04, I believe.
I think they're getting ready.
And they probably are getting ready. I wish I had tones with me, but I don't. Oh, there goes the ambulance.
They're going the opposite direction. I didn't hear any sirens go off.
So they go off a little late. That's Trumbull County for you.
Why don't we wait?
Trumbull County is not going off. No, they are going to go off. Look, there is an ambulance pulling out of the building once again. Yeah, Trumbull County, remember last time how they went off as soon as I pulled out the parking lot and they went off? They're going to do it again. They just test a little late. I don't know why, but they do. At least I think they do.
5-minute delay.
I got like a 5-minute delay. Whatever. Come on, Trumbull. Just do your little siren test.
Way better than expected.
I caught a bunch of vehicles pulling out of the parking lot. I don't know what for, but there was a bunch of them. Was this t128 a fail? Or does Trumbull County feel like their siren test does not want to work? What you think?
I don't think it's gonna go off.
There it is. I'm trust me.
Didn't you go to the T128 and it went off as soon as you left?
Yeah.
Is this that also on Trumbull County?
Yes. I mean the eclipse.
They're gonna test it like that. Yeah, that's it. Oh, they're about to test it any moment now.
Oh, stay there. Just stay right there. Here we go.
Come on, Trumbull.
Pull your camera.
That's the T120. They're about to test, I think. Either that or they canceled it. 12:05. Now we wait. Is this a fail, bruh?
Boy, it ain't failed.
What the alpha?
Like you said, there was a 5-minute delay.
And it is now 5 minutes.
Now they're gonna test it. Trust me.
I think they failed. They're not going. Unless the siren's dead.
It's not dead.
I didn't hear any.
Is it the first Saturday?
Yeah, it's for Saturday. I didn't hear any sirens go off today. Like, that's why I put the window down to listen. I didn't hear anything.
Yeah, it's been 6 minutes now.
I'm still gonna record in case whenever we leave to see if they'll even go.
That tested out way better than I expected.
Level 6.
Oh fuck! I did the wrong siren, I think. Remember last time I went to this damn building and the siren was facing the exact same direction? Well, it happened. I believe it's inactive.
I went to the wrong siren again. There's no
I didn't
way.
hear any.
Actually, no, my dad did not hear any sirens. That means that they probably didn't test.
Yeah, I didn't hear any like any distant sirens.
Yeah, no distance sirens at all. You would have heard a 2001 and a thunder beam, I believe.
Look at that.
Look at that ambulance. Look at how smashed
I
up.
did it wrong. Went to the thunder beam instead.
Cause the thunder beam was like 30 minutes. Yeah, look at that thing. That's messed up. Oh, bye-bye, t128. He failed.
Where was messed up?
Bro's messed up. I gotta see some fire vehicles and EMS pulling out of the building.
Oh.
Looks like that was a fail.
Should I scream out the siren and say you failed?
Yeah.
You failed!
That was just
Okay, Bros.
Just go off.
Imagine. I see him in my rearview mirror. Oh.
Listen to how my siren test came out.
That didn't work.